everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here with my brother and I'm here with teacher Queenie S. Cañete.
Hi!
And welcome to our mukbang vlog.
Perfect.
So, where did you live during your childhood?
Ako? Sa Kima lang, sa Payaw.
I thought you're from Zamboanga.
No. From Payaw. I studied in Zamboanga during my college. Pero, since elementary to high school, I went to Payaw. How about you? Question.
Ano ka?
Dami lang ko yung tato. Ay, gusto.
Hot seat question. Okay, first question for you, Adriel. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher Queenie.
Okay. What is the most beautiful part of your face? For you. Sa ang pinakagwapang part of your face.
For me, my eyes. And I love when people compliment me about my eyes. They will say na, go to your eyes and your lashes, it's so long.
Yeah, I also love your eyes. Pero kasi din mo.
But for me, the most beautiful thing about a human face is their eyes.
Why? Why do you think?
I don't know, but I just have a thing for eyes.
Because accordingly, people can read you just by seeing your eyes. Ikaw, do you have a question to your older sister?
Teacher Queenie.
Count lang daw siya.
Dami lang ready.
Oh, question na count sa imong ate. Sa mga question kay ate niyo.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
Yung naman question ako, September 2, 2003.
September 2?
I'm a Virgo.
Me too!
Really?
Yes!
Wait, isa ka?
August 28.
August 28? Oh, miracle.
Ang bolo.
Jungkook's birthday is September 1.
Yung mga bias.
I thought he was also your bias.
If someone gives you a 100,000 cash in replace of your brother, would you allow it? Ooh.
But if 1 billion
Pwede. I thought unconditional love, not a price. I did. Ganahan ka na answer. Okay.
Yagi ko ikuan sa burger? Burger lang?
So, unsa, what if, sige ha, you will answer this question. If you will become very, very rich, unsa man inyong gusto ibahin?
Ibay.
ako ano nga sa kwarta sa badyang.
Ako sa, I will donate to charity.
Wow, very generous.
Sabi na sa mga dogs, mga stray cats, like that.
Ako sa naon eh.
Really?
Okay, I believe in the more you give, the more you receive. So, sige, magkanda na. More you give, the more you receive, Jun.
Teacher Shane po.
Fishing.
Ay, teacher.